Funny.
Brotherly.
You get local. Tonto Black Maria been there outside though. To carry you go prison. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Okay, timekeeper is here. There's no problem. Anyway, we are in very dangerous period now. I just think, where Aki and Popo dey? Bros. Have fun now. You know, say, I go one burial last weekend. I can't shock, say, burial don't change. Because you don't actually go burial. Nobody don't die for my family. They know. So you don't take. These boys, they do inter-house sports with cops. They carry full person coffin. Later, they can't do line in state. Everybody, they turn around. They look the man, they shake head. Now, just enter my mind, though. Say, any day, Aki and Popo go die. No need to carry 4 of those boys. Only one person go hold on like harvest. Then when they die, no need for lying in state. Now all of us go just dey parlor. They pass the coffin. Hey, yeah. Oh, Chine don't want them. Oh. You go tell before you die, sir. You go tell, but when that time comes, that's all we go do. You know, we live in a time where pressure, everybody just stay under pressure anyhow. As I see Prosalina now, I just remember this discussion. Where they tell somebody, oh, go and lose weight, go and lose weight, go and lose weight. The guy like today on his own, and nobody put pressure for man body reach woman. They say, everybody, let's do press up. 1, 2, 3. The guy, they do it on gently. 1, you wait like 10 minutes. 2, 15 minutes. 3, you find small shawarma, chop. 4, the next you see one girl wear bomb shot. Wait till they hear for the girl mouth. 1004, 1005, 1006. From an innocent 8, he want impress babe. Now he increase in pace. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The girls they go 1010, 1010. By the time they reach 37, you see we are cardiac arrest, they wave them. So yeah, they come now, they come. Only and they say, come on, younger, no vessel. How you take do where if you do up to 1,000 press up? It's you are listening to me. Don't mind me. I usually start my counting from 1,000. I saw somebody for just die free die. And people who know me before then, they will say, you know, I used to be a lot bigger. They say, Dan, you seem to have been working out. What have you been doing? Not the workout to my economy. Now work me out. When I can't slim like this, responsibility no be here. You know, say if small pikin pass now, we fine. Or find picture of small pikin. Women see them, they will just say, oh my God, my ovaries. My ovaries are tickling me. You don't see any man. Where see fine pikin begin say, oh, my scrotum. My scrotum. No, because we know responsibility. As I done it like this, check well. Any man we marry in the last 6 years, they need to add weight. The responsibility no be here. The one, because for example, waiting me to make me big. I like to drink beer. I like to chop ishewu. I like to chop shawarma. But now, as a father, I order my beer. Bring 3 bottles of beer. The next day, they don't come in for house. Hello? Pampers don't finish. Oh, as a responsible man, see beer, see Pampers. What will you do? You take Pampers, you leave beer. You call your ishewu. Bring ishewu for me. Hello? Sirilako, Sirilako, Sirilako. As a responsible man, see Ishewu, see Sirilak. What do? You leave Ishewu, you take Sirilak, body come to formation. Just like that. I travel one time. They say, my pikin don't enter school. I say, which class? They say, play group. I say, what do they do there? He said, they play and group around. I say, when we play, they beat us. Now we pay for play. I say, how much be the fees? 480. I say, no problem. I travel again. They say, in don't enter new class. I say, which class? They say, reception. I say, that means you don't find work. Which hotel? They say, no. Now another class, reception. What did they do there? Then they learn cartoon characters. I say, how much be the fees? 850. I don't calculate them. 1 point something. From my primary school to my university, I don't spend rich 450. Now September they come. They want to give me bill. They don't say I get plan. I go carry that boy. 4 years, go Unilag. Stand down for the middle, say, my friend, choose your faculty. Choose your faculty immediately. Once you no agree, I carry and go to the dean. Say, Prof, give him project topic. It's not year 1. Because of the pressure is too much. Men, don't fall under sexual pressure. All this one way, you go, they wipe big hair. Bah, bah. Girl go, they shot. And they wipe one the other day. Whoa, whoa. They get a shot deeper, deeper, going. I say, now everything I bring come like this. So I not do instrumental payment. So if you want, you shift back, come. And make a your rush them through. Men, if you know you are married and you are doing extramural classes, I will not say you should stop. I will not judge you. Just reduce it. Because these days now, married men, they fall in love with side chick. You they shock. We dey where we gather. One of my guys don't come. Carry material. Share for us. 2 yards. 2 yards. 2 yards. We say, what's in the happen? He say, my babe, Papa die. Your babe as in the new name for madam. Maria now, my babe. Her papa die. So why are you giving us material? I want make una so top. Make we fall in her village. Support them. Now one question I just ask them. Waiting then go right for our canopy. Friends of the boyfriend or what? And you know say men get different things where they like. I get one of my friends, the guy likes sales girls. You know they take sales girls play. Filling station, bar, you know they take sales girls play. One of they laugh when a friend say like that too. And the one part and be say if he go back, go drink. Once he want drink around 10 o'clock, he go just ask the girl, young girl, when are you closing? The girl say 2 a.m. He go day from there, begin drink beer, drink beer, drink beer, drink beer, drink beer. Once she close, he follow step out. He don't move the girl. The day God punish this guy. In children worry him, Daddy, buy us meat pie, buy us meat pie. He go fast food. Innocently, young girl, give me 4 meat pie. As he get turn, waiting the carrying eye, see. Now he ask the girl, when are you closing? The girl says 7:30. This one where they talk now after 11 like this. So now the guy sit down for fast food. Chop meat pie, 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 chop meat pie. Chop donut, chop donut, chop donut, chop donut, chop donut. Chop my mind, chop my mind, chop my mind, chop my mind. 12:15. Drink yogurt, drink yogurt, drink yogurt, drink yogurt. It don't they swell for the chair. Now the manager come, which person number you want, I beg? Before you go die, put inside here. Make we not they kill ourselves. Oh. Young men, do not compete with sugar daddy. Sugar daddy is not your mate. For the ecosystem to complete, cooperate with sugar daddy. Don't compete. If sugar daddy buy a motor, fuel am. If he rent a house, pay the NEPA bill. If he buy a phone, top up the phone. Because you won't compete with sugar daddy. How much you get now? Sugar daddy, what they do as money, they like this now. One contract, 200 million. He give babe 200,000. You, from your salary, 300,000 where God just bless you. You carry 1/3, 100,000 more than your tithe, 3 times more than your tithe. God just they look you. God not just want shook hand for your eye yet. Give care for what? Follow their formula. Man, we get 200 million. Give babe 200,000. 10% of 200 million is 20 million. 1% is 2 million. That 200K now 0.1% of an income. Now he give them. As I learned that thing, I said, thank you, Jesus, for this revelation. As I day here like this, the highest money I don't collect for this work, 800,000. 10% is 80,000. 1% is 8,000. 0.1 is, you go take them as you see them. Good night, ladies and gentlemen.